So I lost my job. Really awkward because you would expect it to be like I did something wrong or I was bad at my job, but I actually helped to make my replacement? Let me explain. So I worked in tech. I would make React-based applications using the Django REST framework for a biomedical company using it. Hey, stay with me. I'm gonna put this here. I make the beeps and the boops for the computers for medicine. I mean, I did, but in all seriousness, I just made a bunch of applications for some company I am not allowed to mention here. And I worked there for a few years. But this year was kind of different. All of a sudden, I was being required to use AI for work. Like I didn't have a choice. So fine, I get it. It's the new big shiny thing. And the way I see it, I'll just have it do all the stuff I don't want to do. And honestly, for a bit, I kind of liked it. I didn't have to do all the boring, repetitive stuff in my job, and I can focus on the parts that actually mattered to, help people. And I ended up getting called into a meeting later on to see how it was going. So, how do you like the AI tools? Oh yeah, surprisingly, it's pretty cool. It makes a lot of mistakes though, and it runs pretty badly, so it takes me a while to train it to do what I want. And what percentage of the code do you have the AI writing now? Huh? Oh, let's see. Keep in mind the AI tool is useful and all, it's not doing your job. Like you have to hold its hand most of the time because it has a weird idea of what functioning code is. If I'm being generous, maybe like it writes like 20%? That's kind of low. Anyway, we can get that closer to like 80%? What? Mind you, this is like not doable. Imagine you get a Roomba for the house, and it cleans the floor pretty well. You're pretty satisfied. And then someone comes and asks you why it's not doing the dishes. Like, I'm sorry. I let them know this is a bad idea, and we should be really careful about trusting an AI to handle all the sensitive jobs. But I guess that's where I messed up. Immediately, they told me that I was being unsupportive of innovation, and that I was to keep an open mind moving forward. I stopped getting called into meetings about the AI, and the whole time the AI just kept learning off of everything that I did. It felt really weird, like someone trying their best to copy me, but only to the point of barely working. Like it was really eerie seeing things that kind of looked like something I would make, but not really. And eventually I got called in for one more meeting. I got told they were moving in a new direction. They appreciated my work and they wished me the best. To be honest, I didn't like the new direction. So when I left, I kind of just felt empty. It's really soul-crushing when all your creativity and hard work is being passed up on for AI. And what sucks is that it doesn't really only affect me. Like this looks like it's affecting a lot of industries. To be honest, I worked in tech. I get it. AI was bound to keep moving forward. And as long as it keeps being spun as some magical thing that can do anything, businesses are going to keep trying to cut costs wherever they can by using AI instead. But why is it taking over our creative stuff too? Like, isn't that something that we always argue as humans makes us special? Isn't that stuff we'd like to make? I got replaced in the tech industry, and that's one thing. But why do I also feel like I have to compete with AI when it comes to drawing? Don't worry, I'm not going to turn this into AI bad video or anything. But as someone who works on both tech and does art for fun, just try and support the people that you do like, that create things. If you see an artist you really like, let them know how much you love it. If you see someone trying their best to make something, support them. If you happen to see some guy making silly animations on YouTube and you like what he does, maybe, I don't know, consider liking and subscribing. I don't know, just spitting ideas. So now that I fit the broke artist stereotype, I gotta say making stuff is hard, but like super rewarding. These silly little videos aren't gonna be keeping the lights on anytime soon, but come on. I swear I just paid for that. See y'all in the next one.